You came without knocking on my door, like truth finding its way when I stopped searching for answers and finally learned to breathe. You didn't bring big promises or speeches I had to believe, just an honest kind of silence that invited me to see. I was made of pauses, of questions with no end, and you looked at all my fears like they were nothing then. And then it happened, my chaos lowered its voice. Time started moving slower when yours found a place in mine. It wasn't magic or a reason, it was losing my defenses when your name crossed my mind. You carry light and imperfection, you walk with quiet calm. You turn the simplest moments into something that feels like home. If the world should lose its direction, if my faith begins to doubt, I return to your eyes like someone learning how to start again. Don't promise me forever, don't swear eternity. I'd rather have this living moment that refuses to leave, because love is insane and it's choosing how to stay when everything is shaking and you still decide to believe. And it happens again, my fear begins to lose control. Silence finds its balance every time I hear your voice. It's not destiny or a sign, it's choosing you without the noise. A little more each day. If tomorrow isn't clear, if there are no plans to say, let this moment be enough to know where I should stay. Today I don't ask for certainty or answers at the end. Just don't let go of me when you look at me again. Because sometimes